So friends, we all know that whenever we try to download something from the internet, the file is saved to downloads folder. So if I download this particular file and if I go to Finder, you can see in downloads, I'm able to see the recently downloaded file. But if in case you are wondering how to change the default download location in your Mac, then this is the video for you. I'm going to guide you through each and every step, but before that, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now, before going ahead, let me tell you one thing, that there is no direct option to change the download location. You have to change the download location for every browser you are using. So let's start with Safari browser first. Later on, I'm going to talk about Google Chrome and Brave browser. See, if you're using Safari and if you're trying to download something and if you want to change the default download location, then once you open Safari browser, go and select Safari on the menu bar, then select Settings, select General tab over here, and if you go down, you get an option of file download location. Now currently you can see it is set to downloads. So if I'm downloading anything from Safari browser, it is going to be saved in, or it is going to be stored in downloads folder. Select this drop down, you get two options. One is ask for each download. So if you select this particular option, what it will do is, if you try to download anything, then it will ask you that where you want to save the file. So either you can select this particular option or you can choose a dedicated folder. So if you select others, it will show you a pop-up window like this. All you have to do is either you can select document, desktop as a download location, or else if you want to create a new folder on desktop, then you can simply create new folder over here and we will be naming it as download, and let's create it. After creating the folder, we have selected the folder. Let's tap on select option. Now you can see still it is saying download, but this download folder is available on desktop. So that's it for Safari browser. Let me try to download something from Safari browser. So if I try to save this image, you can see it is showing download folder. So if I tap on save and if I go to download over here, you can see this is the file which we have downloaded just now. And if I go and check the download folder in Finder, you can see that file is not available here. So we have successfully changed the download location for Safari browser. Now let's talk about Google Chrome. If you are using Google Chrome, all you have to do is just simply go and select this three dot option on the right hand side, and at the bottom you get an option of settings. Select that, and on the left hand side you get multiple options, but you have to select downloads over here. Now the very first option is location. Now currently you can see it is downloads, and this is the folder which is in Finder. So if you tap on change over here, you can see it is showing downloads folder in Finder. If you want to change it, again, if you want to save it to desktop, you can select desktop option. But if you have created a folder on desktop, then you can select that folder as well, or you can choose any other option. Now currently you are just going to keep it as desktop, or we are going to select desktop and tap on select option. And again, you will find the same option which we got in Safari browser, which is ask where to save each file before downloading. So if you want this, you can turn on the toggle, and next option is show downloads when they are complete. So if you want a pop-up notification when the file is downloaded, you can turn on this toggle as well. Now let's try to download this particular image from Google Chrome. Now you can see it is showing desktop. If I tap on save option, you can see the file is saved on desktop. So for Google Chrome, we have changed the download location, and the same thing you can do it with Brave browser. So if you are on Brave, you can just simply go and select this three dash option on the right hand side. At the bottom, select settings option, and if you go down again, you get the option of download. You can change the location from here. Tap on change. Again, this time let's create a new folder over here, and we will be naming it as AAA. We are going to create it, and after selecting the folder, just tap on select option, and again you do get the same option which we got for Google Chrome. Now if we try to download something, so let's try to download this particular image. You can see it has already shown the AAA folder. Let's tap on save option. The file is downloaded. Now if I go to this particular folder, the downloaded file will be here. So this is how simple it is to change default download location in your Mac. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.